We're gonna start up the beast today. It's March 23rd, 2016. Hadn't been started in a couple days, and as you can see, it snowed out a little bit, so well, I gotta get under the hood and tighten some things, and I'll be right back. We have contact. Let's see what happens. Sorry the camera's so shitty, but oh, we got beeping. Oh, would you look at that? Starts up pretty nice in the cold. It does. There's the tailpipe. She's just a chooching. Look at that chooch. It's fucking grimy. But yeah. Keep watching, and I have more videos coming up.